Alright, that's how we do it. The original dumpling shop, Bronx, New York, for the boss, Colin. Colin, are you the boss, the general? Yeah, man, you don't know us at the original dumpling shop, Bronx, New York, the boss, Colin. That's how we do it. Alright, 2025 Rick's Cafe. Alright, we are doing for the original dumpling shop, Bronx, New York. And for the boss, Colin. Colin, you ready? Yeah, man, you don't know the original dumpling shop, Bronx, New York. The boss, Colin. Shop, Bronx, New York, and the boss, Colin. You don't know. 2025. The original dumpling shop, my youth. Bronx, New York, and the boss, Colin. Yeah. That's how we do it. The original dumpling shop, Bronx, New York. And the boss Colin, man. 2025.
You're not exotic, man. You need to get.
You know. A Bronx, New York, dumpling shop. Remember? Visit it.
I don't know.